Welcome. In this video I will show you how to limit charging modes to save the battery life on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So first let's click on the battery icon right over here, then tap on it here, and we will be transferred to the settings section of power and battery, and here we will be able to enable an energy saver. We can enable it right now by switching this toggle to the right, and as you can see, our brightness level has slightly decreased since it's set as the option of the energy saver. It automatically turns on at 30%, but we can change this, change the percentage over here. We can, for example, just never use power saver, or use it on 50%, or we can use it always, which is just the same thing as if we have turned this, switch this toggle bar right here. But if you don't want to use energy saver and still balance your battery life, then just click on this option, and then select the charging mode when your device is plugged in and when your device runs on battery. You can either choose the best performance, which will require the most energy, or the best power efficiency, which will save your battery for a longer time. So for example, if you want to take your laptop away and you want it to serve you for longer, you have to use the on batteries setting and set it to the best power efficiency. This way your laptop will last for longer, and you can as well use it together with the energy saver. For example, you can select the percentage of like 50, and so when your device turns 50% of battery level, then an energy saver will start working, and it will also slightly increase your battery life. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.